So, ano tong cash-based appropriations at saka cash-based appropriations saka obligation-based appropriations. So, yung cash-based appropriations, yun yung making payments within a specific time limit. So, within the fiscal year, dapat mabayaran mo na yung mga commitments na yun. So, sa government, pag sinabi mong cash-based, within the fiscal year, dapat mabayaran mo yun. Pero pag sinabi mo namang obligation-based appropriations, you should appropriate cash as long na continuous yung project. Wala siyang specified na time limit. So, yan yung kasi sa project management yan. Yan ba ay obligation-based appropriation o cash-based appropriation. So, yan. Ganun mag-budget yung ating Department of Finance. Dalawa lang. Yun yung cash-based appropriations saka obligation-based appropriations. So, yan yung importanteng nalalaman natin ngayong araw na to. Kahit naman sa private sector, ganun din cash-based or obligation-based appropriations. So, yun lang po.